My name is Josh Hendricks, and I'm a Senior Principal Support Engineer with Milestone Systems. With the 2019 R2 release of XProtect Mobile Server, support for self-signed certificates has been revoked. So I put together this series to introduce one way of generating publicly signed certificates for your mobile server. Certificate authorities and certificate management is an enormous and complicated topic, and there are a million strategies for handling certificates. This represents only one small example. In the following videos, you'll see how we can use a free DDNS service combined with a little bit of PowerShell to generate free publicly signed certificates from Let's Encrypt and set these certificates to be used by the mobile server. We're going to use a third-party PowerShell module called Posh-ACME to handle the Let's Encrypt certificate generation, and we'll use a small PowerShell module I wrote called Posh-XProtect Mobile to take these certificates and configure the mobile server to use them. Finally, I want to apologize. I put this tutorial together quickly so that others can put it to use, and I've not had an opportunity to narrate the following videos. Certificate management is already such a dry topic, so feel free to put on your favorite music while you watch this series.